Hello everyone, this is Sharon Mistretta, and this is a brief tutorial on how to leave a comment on our VoiceThread discussions this week. Once you click on a choice in Blackboard, it will navigate to the VoiceThread. Make sure that you are logged into the Johns Hopkins University VoiceThread account. When you hover over the bottom of the screen, you're going to see a small plus mark, and what that will give you are your options. You can type a comment, you can phone in a comment, you can record one, or a video, or upload. The easiest way to do this is to record a comment via the microphone. And what I'm also going to show you during this demonstration is how to pick up the virtual whiteboard pencil, and you can underline. And that particular mark that you make during your VoiceThread will remain with your comments. So here I'm going to click on record, and it's going to count down for me. So this is a demonstration of how to record on a VoiceThread for multicultural education. And what I wanted to show you is that when you click on the pencil mark at the bottom, you are able to pick up a pencil, and you are able to circle and highlight or underline anything that you want to talk about during your discussion. And then what you're going to do is just click on stop recording, and it will upload. You're going to have a chance to see it. This is a demonstration of how to record on a VoiceThread. All you have to do is click on save, and you are able to save the comment on this thread. You can also respond to other people. So by clicking, for instance, on Jessica's comment, which is shared by other classes. So if you see someone that's not in our class, in our section, that's what you're going to see. So you would be able to click on this, hear her comment, and also you'll be able to hear her comment, which is the green bar down here, and you're also able to leave Jessica a comment by clicking on this arrow here. So it's the same way that you're making your own recording. You're going to be able to record a comment if you wanted to respond to another student. So keep in mind that these VoiceThread choices are shared by the multiple sections of multicultural education, and that's sections 1A, B, C, and D. So I hope that that helps. Please email me if you have any other questions. Thank you.